This is a pot of compost debris that I planted a potato in, and I'm going to find out if there's any more potatoes that have grown from that. Ooh, look at, there's lots of worms in there. Well, we got a couple potatoes. So I have two pots here of potato plants that had died. We're going to find out if they grew any potatoes. This is a really nice mixture of 50% compost and 50% of my good soil. Ooh, I see worms in here already. So I'm going to dump it out in this container because I want to save that soil. Put it in my garden. There's a slug. There's one, there's two, there's three. There's the spent potato. That's it, just three. That's nothing very good. Okay, let's do the next one. One, two, three, four, all little ones. There's a potato plant. Nice worm, a couple of nice worms. So this is the potato harvest right here from the pots. Nothing spectacular, but a couple meals worth. And here are the worms. Got lots of worms, or at least 100 of them. So the trick is turn those 100 worms into 100 fish.